As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing two Char-Broil grills, right? The Grill2Go X200, ASINB00BFPMLI8, and the Signature TRU-Infrared 2-burner, ASINB07ZV66WKM, showing as B096LST5G9. First thing that jumps out is availability. The Grill2Go is in stock, but the Signature 2-burner is currently unavailable.
Good catch. So already a point for the Grill2Go if you need something now. Looking at the basics, the Grill2Go is super portable. It's designed for tailgating and camping. The Signature, from what I see, is more of a standard cart-style grill.
Exactly. The Grill2Go weighs only 20 pounds and has a single 9,500 BTU burner powering 200 square inches of cooking space. The Signature, being a 2-burner, probably has more cooking area, but the specifications aren't available here.
Right, and both use Charbroil's TRU-Infrared cooking system, which is supposed to eliminate flare-ups and cook food evenly. However, I do notice the Grill2Go has a push-button ignition, while the Signature has Surefire electronic ignition, which sounds a bit fancier.
Yeah, push-button ignition is pretty standard. The Signature also boasts integrated LED lights, which is a nice touch for grilling at night. The Grill2Go has a temperature gauge on the lid, which is useful.
Another key difference. The Grill2Go uses those small, disposable 1-pound propane tanks, though you can convert it for a 20-pound tank. The Signature, being a cart model, is designed for a standard-sized propane tank.
True. The Grill2Go is definitely geared toward convenience and portability, even if it might mean swapping out those little propane tanks more often.
And the price! When it was available, the Signature came with a grill cover, which is a bonus. The Grill2Go is cheaper up front, especially with the current discount, but you need to factor in the cost of those small propane tanks or the conversion kit.
Good point about the cover. Overall, if you need a portable grill for camping or tailgating, the Grill2Go seems like a solid choice. But if you want a more substantial grill for your patio and don't mind waiting, the Signature 2-burner might be worth considering when it's back in stock, assuming the features like LED lighting and the larger cooking surface are important to you. It really depends on your needs and if you can even get the other one right now. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.